Namaskar students. Myself Dr. Kirti Joshi, Assistant Professor, Food and Biotech Department. Today's session is about food bioactive compounds. Food bioactive compounds are extra nutritional constituents that typically occur in small quantities in foods. Numerous bioactive compounds appear to have beneficial health effects. फूड बायोएक्टिव कंपाउंड्स वो कंपाउंड होते हैं जो कि बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में फूड में पाए जाते हैं, प्रेजेंट होते हैं और इनका कई सारी हेल्थ बेनिफिट इफेक्ट्स इन कंपाउंड्स के होते हैं. Plant secondary metabolites are rich sources of bioactive compounds, eliciting many beneficial health effects in men and animals. Plant-based foods, including vegetables, fruits, grains, seeds, nuts, and legumes, may contain hundreds of different phytochemicals. Recently, research on phytochemicals suggests their possibility as an important source of therapeutic and preventive agents against diseases. प्लांट्स के जो सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स होते हैं ये इनमें बायोएक्टिव कंपाउंड्स काफ़ी अच्छे अमाउंट में पाए जाते हैं और इनका ये बेनिफिशियल होते हैं एनिमल्स के लिए भी और मैंस के लिए भी. और जो प्लांट बेस्ड फूड होते हैं जैसे कि सब्जियां हैं, फल हैं, अनाज, तिलहन, नट्स, दालें, इन सभी में कई सारे फाइटोकेमिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और ये जो फाइटोकेमिकल्स होते हैं ये बहुत अच्छे सोर्स होते हैं, इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स होते हैं थेरेपेटिक और प्रिवेंटिव एजेंट्स के, जो कि कई सारी बीमारियों से हमें बचाते हैं. The types of food containing these bioactive compounds are those functional foods that can prevent desirable health benefits beyond their natural properties when consumed in a regular and constituent manner to diet. Alternatively, diet supplements can be supplied to consumers in a concentrated form to deliver a specific bioactive phytochemical or a group of phytochemicals. ये जो फूड में बायोकेमिकल्स कंपाउंड होते हैं ये फंक्शनल फूड्स की जैसे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स इनमें होते हैं और ये हमें डाइट्स के थ्रू भी मिलते हैं और कई सारे डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट्स होते हैं जिनमें कि या तो एक फाइटोकेमिकल्स या कई सारे फाइटोकेमिकल्स के ग्रुप हमें इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं. The four most common groups of plants derived bioactive compounds are polyphenols, phytoestrogens, phytosterols, phytates, lecithin oligosaccharides, and polyunsaturated fatty acids, that is PUFA. Now, first of all, we discuss about polyphenols. Polyphenolic compounds are mainly foods found in fruits and vegetables and are one of the most important source of bioactive compounds of the human diet. Over 8,000 polyphenols have been identified and among them more than 2,000 are found in nature. Plants need them for pigmentation, growth, reproduction, resistance to pathogens, and for many other functions. One of the most important group of polyphenols is flavonoids. They can be divided into following subgroups like flavonols, anthocyanins, कैसेथीन्स एंड फ्लेविनॉल्स. जो पॉलीफिनॉल्स कंपाउंड होते हैं ये मुख्यतः फलों में, सब्जियों में पाए जाते हैं और अभी तक 8,000 पॉलीफिनॉल्स खोजे जा चुके हैं जिनमें से अधिकतर 2,000 पॉलीफिनॉल्स नेचर में पाए जाते हैं. ये प्लांट्स के पिगमेंटेशन यानी उनको कलर देना, ग्रोथ, रिप्रोडक्शन में बहुत मुख्य भूमिका निभाते हैं. और पॉलीफिनॉल्स के में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ग्रुप होता है फ्लेवोनॉइड्स. Phytoestrogens have become more of the more topical area of interest in clinical nutrition. The main consumable plant sources of phytoestrogens include isoflavonoids and lignans found mainly in soya beans and flax seeds respectively. Other sources of phytoestrogens include sunflower and sesame seeds, various nuts, berries, garlics, and carrots. Plant lignans are also found in many cereals, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Phytoestrogens may prevent cancer in human. Phytoestrogens also protect against bowel and other non-hormonal cancers, cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. फाइटोएस्ट्रोजेंस जो होते हैं ये एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को कैंसर से बचाते हैं और इसी के साथ बाउल मूवमेंट को और कई सारे अदर नॉन हार्मोनल कैंसर से और हृदय की बीमारियों से और साथ ही हड्डियों की बीमारी से हमारी रक्षा करते हैं. Phytosterols are bioactive non-nutrient substance structurally similar to the cholesterol. They exist in two forms, unsaturated common present in many plants and saturated cholestanols which are found only in small amounts in cereals, fruits and vegetables. The health effects of phytosterols are the result of their structural similarly to cholesterol. Therefore, plant sterols compete with the cholesterol absorption from the intestinal tract. The dietary intake of phytosterols causes an increased excretion of both dietary and biliary cholesterol in humans. In addition, to reduce the absorption of cholesterol, plant stenols inhibit the absorption of other plant sterols. Phytates, they are present in seeds, which are an important source of plant phosphorus stored in the form of phytic acid. High content of phytates are observed in cereal grains, legumes, and nuts, whereas in vegetables, their concentrations are low. The hydrolysis of phytates into inositols and phosphates or phosphoric acid occurs as a result of phytates action and non-enzymic cleavage, that is food processing. Lecithin, dietary lecithins, which binds avidly and are endocytosed by cells of the brush border epithelium, are powerful growth factors for the gut, induce changes in the digestive absorptive functions, modify the state of glycolysis of luminal receptors, alter the expressions of genus coding of digestive enzymes, transport and structural proteins, and interfere with both the bacterial ecology and the immune response of gut of the food antigens. Oligosaccharides represent a structurally derived class of macromolecules of a relatively widespread occurrence in nature. They are mainly present in gluons and with different types of glycosidic linkage, while other mostly bind to protein reduces the oligosaccharide protein complexes. Now, polyunsaturated fatty acids, that is PUFA, consist of two parent compounds, linoleic acid, a fatty acid of omega-6 family with 18 carbon atoms and two double bonds, that is 18:2 and 6, and alpha-linolenic acid, a fatty acid of omega-3 family with 18 carbon atom and three double bonds, that is 18:3 and 3. They play an important role in prostaglandin metabolism and may influence the thrombotic process. The intake of alpha-linolenic acid is inversely related to coronary heart disease. Thank you. This session powered by digital version of 2.0 JV University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. And if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.